VViViD Plus Premium Vinyl Wrap Film, 10 feet x 5 feet, matte Miami teal. New VViViD Plus Vinyl. This premium automotive vinyl by VViViD Vinyls is specially engineered for dealers. This durable film is ideal for long-term fleet and motorsport marketing applications and provides a lightweight, economical alternative to paint. Self-adhesive with a bubble-free membrane for a super-fast and bubble-free application. Ready to use out of the box, no liquids needed. Self-healing technology, scratches disappear. Resistant to abrasions, water and chemical proof. A safe, non-corrosive acrylic adhesive with a 10-year life. Won't eat through coatings or react with surfaces, safe application and removal. This vinyl can be installed using 3M94 primer and 3M edge sealer. These are not mandatory. These products will promote adhesion and add life to your vinyl. The sealer or primer will not remove the glue, deform the vinyl or ruin the texture unlike cheaper quality films. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.